Today I'm gonna walk you through how you can get your beat from the Overtune mobile application into any DAW and some tips on how to get working quickly. I'll also mention some minor things on submissions for competitions or management with Overtune. Alright, let's get to it. So this is a project that I was working on yesterday. It's a fairly simple structure. I was just demonstrating like how quickly I could make a decent sounding song. And when you're at this point, you might wonder what's the best cause of action to go to the audio recorder. I mean, obviously you can go directly into the in-app audio recorder, but if you're serious about submitting your song into some playlists and you want to distribute it or whatever, you might want to get a higher mic quality, or you might want to utilize some hardware that you have at your disposal. So getting from this point to your favorite DAW is very simple. You just press the export button in the upper right corner, and then you can choose between using the export master audio feature, which is a single wave file. Super neat if you're just comfortable with your beat in a current form. Or you can export as stems, so then you get one track for each instrument. You can then either airdrop to your computer if you're working on a Mac, or you can send it via Google Drive. It supports all native sharing options. So I've already sent it to myself, and I'll just show you real quick how I go about setting that up. Okay, so now that we're in FL Studio, it's incredibly simple to get to work. You basically drag and drop the tracks that you get from your zip file, drag it into the project. I'm gonna select all of my clips, make sure that we're aligned with the first mark on the track. And I mean, obviously this is not gonna be in the right BPM. I can just see that here straight away. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dial down until I can see decent alignment. So I guess, yeah, there you go. Yeah, basically just eyeballing the BPM until, because these loops are seamless. It's incredibly simple to just get to the actual BPM this way. Yeah, so now if we turn on the metronome. Yep. All right. And from here, I can just get to recording. So that's basically as simple as that. And then it's just up to you how far you're going to take the project. But a thing that's good to have in mind, that if you're going to be submitting through any Overtune competitions or using any of our services regarding distribution or otherwise, it's incredibly important that you're using licensed content. So that it's either your voice or samples that you have licensed to use and distribute. Otherwise we can't manage any of your stuff, and it will just end up in our garbage collection. With all of that in mind, can't wait to see your submissions. Happy creating.